In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detectors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Nokta Simplex Ultra. The Nokta Simplex Ultra WHP is a robust waterproof metal detector equipped with wireless headphones and an 11-inch search coil, designed for professional use in various environments. It is offered by Nokta Detection Technologies and has garnered a rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from 37 reviews. The device operates on rechargeable batteries and weighs 1.2 kilograms, making it portable yet powerful for detecting metal objects. Number 2. Garrett ACE 300. The Garrett ACE 300 metal detector offers reliable performance with its submersible search coil, designed for various metal detecting tasks. It comes in the color ACE 300 and operates without the need for batteries, drawing power from a battery source. The package includes 3 free accessories: Garrett ClearSound Easy Stow headphones with volume control for clear audio feedback, an ACE environmental cover-up for protection, and a 7 inches by 10 inches search coil cover to safeguard the search coil. Ideal for enthusiasts and beginners alike, the ACE 300 combines functionality with ease of use, making it a versatile tool for discovering metal objects in different environments. Number 3. Nokta Legend Metal Detector. The Nokta Detection Technologies metal detector, known as the Legend, stands out with its robust features designed for versatile use. It comes in a sleek black color and is constructed from durable plastic and metal, ensuring reliability in various conditions. Powered by batteries and boasting a waterproof rating of IP68, it can withstand submersion up to 10 feet, 3 meters, and is resistant to dust ingress, making it suitable for underwater metal detection. The Legend is notable for its multi-frequency capability, making it adaptable across different target types and ground conditions. It includes features tailored for gold prospecting, enabling detection of small nuggets in mineralized fields. With a long battery life of up to 20 hours and convenient USB charging options, it offers extended usability without interruption. Designed for deep detection, it promises to uncover coins, relics, and artifacts hidden beneath the surface, making it an ideal choice for both novice and seasoned treasure hunters. The package includes essential accessories like headphones, a waterproof coil, and a USB charging data cable, ensuring users have everything they need for successful metal detecting adventures. Number 4. PANCKY Metal Detectors. The PANCKY Metal Detector is designed to be a top choice for beginners, featuring 5 modes including all metal, discrimination, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer modes. It boasts an upgraded DSP chip for 25% faster detection speed, enhanced sensitivity, and accuracy compared to other models. The detector includes a large LCD display with backlight for easy visibility in low light or nighttime conditions, making it suitable for various environments including beaches. Its IP68 waterproof search coil allows for treasure hunting in shallow water, though the control box itself is not waterproof. Adjustable in height and ergonomic in design, it accommodates adults and children alike, weighing 2.4 pounds for comfortable use. The kit comes complete with essential accessories like a carry bag, steel shovel, high-quality earphones, and batteries, making it ideal for travel, camping, and outdoor adventures. Number 5. Garrett ACE Metal Detector. The Garrett ACE Apex Metal Detector offers advanced detection capabilities with its 6x11-inch DD Multiflex Viper search coil operating at 20 kHz frequency. Available in ACE Apex color, it's designed by Garrett Metal Detectors and is priced at $440.24. This model is battery-powered, requiring batteries for operation, and is constructed from iron and metal materials. It has received positive feedback, averaging 4.5 stars based on 179 ratings, making it a popular choice among metal detector enthusiasts.